Okay. So, good afternoon to everyone. So today we are, today we'll be going to learn about the adverbs, the same topic. We are going to learn about the same topic, that adverb. Few more exercises are left in that chapter, so we'll be doing it now. So before we move on to those exercises, let us have a recap on the topic. Okay, now let me ask you, what is a verb? What is a verb? Manha, come on, tell me, what is a verb? All of you. Let me see you all sitting. All of you sit straight, children. All of you sit. Okay, give a smile. All of you smile. You're not smiling. You have forgotten to smile. All of you. Sitting at home. And all of you have forgotten to smile, I think so. Okay. Okay. Okay, Manha, come on, give me an action word. I'm sorry. First, let me ask you, what is an action word? Come on. What is an action word?
Action.
What is an action? Word. Activity, you can keep it there, children. You can show me later, I said. Okay, I don't want to see your activity now. Now, Manha, come on. I'm going to take this lesson. Let it be completed. I'll be asking for your activity later. Okay, Manha, come on. What is an action word? Okay, come on.
Action
Last
word. Action word.
Yes. Last chapter, we are also doing the activity on that. So what is an action word? That's why I gave you an activity based on that topic. An action word is what, children? What do you mean by action word? What does an action word is? An action word is called? Action word is called? Yes. Yes, Ivan, you can give me the answer. What is an action word is called?
Doing words.
Yes, action words are called doing words, and it is also called as verb. Have all of you noticed that? Okay, so action words are called verbs. So we have already learnt about the adverbs. What does an adverb tells us? An adverb describes a verb. Okay, an adverb describes a verb. So verbs are action words. Now, come on, give me an example for an action word, Shriya.
Ma'am?
Yes, Shriya, give me an example for action word. Adverbs describe a verb. Okay, so action words. Give me an example for an action word. Shriya, yes, many action words are there. You're doing the action. Yes.
Ria is playing.
Okay, play. Play is an action word. I don't want in a sentence. I want it in words. Okay, so play is an action word. Okay, Evelyn, come on, give me an example for an action word. Okay, Shreya, thank you.
Ma'am?
Evelyn, I'll be calling everyone. Wait. Evelyn, come on, give me an example for action word.
Eat.
Eat. Very good. Okay, so eat is an action word. Can you supply a suitable adverb for it, Evelyn? How you have to eat your food? How you have to eat your food? Quickly? How you have to eat your food? Slowly. Okay, eat your food slowly. So slowly is the adverb. Have all of you understood? So adverbs describe a verb. Have all of you understood? Adverbs are words that tell us something more about a verb. Verb is an action word. All of us know it. Verb is an action word. So adverbs are words that tell us more about a verb. That is called an adverb. Now, have you understood what is an adverb is? Adverbs tell us something more about the verb. For eat, eat is slowly. Walk. What is walk? How do you walk? Walk maybe quickly or you walk slowly. So quickly, slowly, all these are the adverbs that we use to describe the verb. Have you all of you understood? Okay, so now we'll move on to I'm going to share the screen. Okay, children. Let's revise the topic once more. Then we'll move on to the exercises. Okay. Okay, all of you be ready with your workbook, okay? We'll be revising the topic. Okay, so we already know adverbs, okay? We are adding something to the verb. That is what it means. We are adding something to the verb. I wanted to look at all of you. Let me see what are you doing there. All of you look at the screen, okay? Yes. Now, adverbs. Add verbs. From the word itself, it is very clear. We are adding something to the verb. So adverb is a word that describes a verb. Okay, that describes a verb. So here is a definition for you. An adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. Okay. So is it clear to everyone? Adverb is a word that tells us something more about the verb. So an adverb describes a verb. Okay, it tells us something more about the verb. I showed you these examples in the last class. I ate my dinner quickly. Here, ate is the action word. Okay, ate is the action word. Action word is also called as verb. Okay, now we have to ask a question. How did the boy eat his dinner? How did the boy eat his dinner? Devatmak, look here. How did the boy eat the dinner? How did the boy eat his dinner? Quickly. Yes. So quickly is the adverb here. Have all of you understood? Quickly is the adverb. So quickly tells us quickly describes how the boy eats his dinner. It tells us how the action happens. Okay, so quickly describes the verb eat. Is that clear? Quickly tells us how the action happens. How was the action happens? So quickly is the adverb here. It tells us how the action happens here. It describes the verb eat. Okay, I'll give you a few more examples. This was the examples we saw in the last class even. The dog barks loudly. So which is the verb in this sentence? Barks. Barks is the verb here. Okay, so how did the dog bark? Loudly. So loudly is the adverb in the sentence. So we have seen that. So the verbs that ends in ly tells us how the action takes place. Okay, you can see a few actions here. Okay, you can see a person running, a person sleeping, a person singing. These are the actions. Okay, it tells us, adverb tells us how the actions happens. So you can see here a girl running quickly, a man sleeping peacefully, a girl singing loudly. So these are the adverbs that tells us how the action happens. Now something more we can understand here. The adverbs that ends in ly tells us how the action happens. So most of the adverbs that ends in ly tells us how the action happens. These are the few examples of adverbs that ends in ly, and we also did an exercises related to it. Okay, so to be familiarized with the adverbs. Okay, so all these are the cleverly, foolishly, slowly, quietly, gently, sadly. All these are the adverbs. We can't just add ly to all the words. Okay, so these are the adverbs that ends in ly. These verbs tells us how the action happens. So, okay, so there is an exercise for you. We have already finished with this exercise. Okay, have you all finished with this exercise, children? Have you all completed this exercise? Okay, now we are moving on to the next exercise, which is there in your page. Before that, I'm going to wait. I wanted to ask you to do an exercise. All of you take page number 22. Okay. Here in this, all of you keep your books on the table. Okay, all of you keep your books on the table, keep your pencils there. Anna Marie, I'm seeing your activity. Keep your activities down. Okay, I'll see it later. Okay, Anna? Okay. Then, now, what you have to do is, one person has to do an action word. Okay, and others has to supply a suitable adverb to it. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the show? Ready, all of you? Yes. Okay, there should be some activities in it. Otherwise, we find boring. Okay, Saharish, are you ready to do an activity? That is, you have to show me an action word. Others has to supply a suitable adverb to it. You know what is an adverb is. Adverb describes a verb. Okay, Saharish? So Saharish, yes, is going to show an activity now. Are you all ready? See Saharish, let us see what Saharish is doing now. All the others look at Saharish. Okay, so do it.
Action.
Yes, you have to do an action. You don't say the action, you do the action. We will tell you what is the action. But for example, if you're reading, read it loudly so that we will give you an adverb. Okay? Yes, come on. Or you can sing. Sing sweetly. So we'll say sing sweet. Okay? Anything, any action. Okay, come on. Ah, running. So, yes. Okay, can all of you see what Saharish is doing? What is the action she did it?
Run.
Run. Okay. What is what adverb you can? Yes, give me a suitable adverb for it. Who can give me the answer? Come on. Who can give me the answer for it? Okay, Fida.
Sleep.
Yes, Fida, come on. Fida, Fida.
Running.
Yes, run. Run. How did she run?
Quickly.
Quickly. Very good. Okay. So she run. Saharish run quickly. So run is the action word there. How did she run? She ran quickly. Okay. So quickly is the adverb. Okay. Very good. Now, who's ready to do one more action? Who's ready to do? Yes, children. Please don't talk during the session. I don't want anyone to do an, say one more child can do it. Why means we have to do the activity, other exercises. Who are ready to do the activity now? Okay, Devatma, come on. Okay, the others has to supply a suitable adverb. Okay, Devatma, come on, unmute it. Yes, come on. Come on, do an activity. Do an action word, that's all. Yes, do it. Clap, clap. Yes. Can you, who can tell me? Okay, who's that? Adi Devem Nair. Come on, give me an answer. How, supply a suitable adverb to it. What is Devatmak was doing? He was clapping his hands. How was he clapping? Come on, supply a suitable adverb for it. Come on, unmute it. Let me see. Unmute it. Yes, you can say something. Yes. Yes, come on. Adidev, can you give me? Yes, unmute it. Who can give me the answer? Yes, who can give me the answer for that? Okay, Evelyn, come on. Clapped hands. Devatma clapped his hands. Yes, come on. Ah. Yes. Anything? You're not getting an adverb for it? Who can give me a suitable adverb for it? Yes, who's ready with the answers? Nobody's raising their hands. Okay, Emmanuel, come on. Unmute it. Unmute it, Emmanuel. Unmute it. You're not unmuting it, Emmanuel. Please do it. Unmute it, Emmanuel. Otherwise, I move on to Ivan. Ivan, come on. Give me an answer. Yes, unmute it quickly. Children, you're not... Clap his hands. How did he clap his hands? Supply a suitable adverb. Is it very quickly? Huh? What is Shreyas doing there? Come on, children.
Clapping.
Yes, he's clapped his hands briskly or
Quickly.
what else we can? Yes, quickly. Okay, something. Okay, so anybody can read your book. Let me see there. Reading. Who can do it? Who's ready to do one more action? Yes, Anna Maria. Okay, Anna Maria. Come on. Do an action. Read the book. You have to show the actions like that. When you read your book, read it loudly so that we can supply a suitable adverb for you. Yes. I couldn't hear you anything. First you unmute it. Unmute it. Yes, read the book. Okay, you have to read it, okay? Yes. Don't just show the actions. Yes, read the book. I couldn't hear Anna Maria. Unmute it. Unmute it. Unmute it. Yes, unmute it. You're not able to unmute it, no, Anna. What happens? You're not able to do it? Okay. I'll call for next person. Okay. Who's ready to do an action? Quickly, children. Yes, Ayush, come on. Ayush. Ayush, unmute it first. Unmute it. Do an action. Do an action, Ayush. You have to do an action. For example, ma'am will show you read. So I am reading it. So an adverb that tells us what is that you're doing. What you are doing? Let me see you doing it once more. Do it fast. Yes. Okay, you're fighting. Okay. Okay, you're a karate champion. Okay then. So what he did it? What was the action he was doing it? Okay. What was the action he's doing it? Come on, he only has to say it. He's fighting. Okay. So children, yes, Agdal Gills, come on. Come on. Okay, running. How is he running? How is he run? Come on, show me the actions once more. Yes, running. So can we supply a suitable adverb to it? Come on, children, you're not supplying a suitable adverb to it. Okay, so running quickly is the adverb. We can suitable adverb for it. So I hope you have understood. Now there is an exercise for you. Verbs are given there. We have to supply a suitable adverb to it. Okay, let us do it. Okay, children? Okay, now all of you take your workbook. Now all of you take your workbook. I hope you have understood what you have to do. So here there are, so they started talking. Yes. Okay then. Now listen here. So here, there are a few verbs here. Talk is a verb. Enter the room is an action. Stand up is an action. Sit down is an action. Turn around is an action. Sing is an action. Write is an action. Now you have to supply a suitable adverb for it. Okay. Now all of you are ready? Ready? Okay. Are you all ready? Okay, Renfred, we'll start with Renfred. Renfred, come on, Renfred. Open your book. All of you take page number 23. Renfred, come on, talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Supply a suitable adverb for it.
Loudly.
Yes, we can say loudly, talk loudly, or we can say talk clearly, or we can say talk
loud.
Okay, loudly. Anything you can write. Talk loudly. Or we can say talk politely. When we talk to elders, we have to talk very politely with them, to them. Okay. Oh, very good. Okay, then who is the next person? Enter the room. How do you enter the room?
Quietly.
Quietly, yes. Nisa, who has told the answer to? Who has told me the answer? Nisa. So we enter the room quietly. Okay. Q-U-I-E-T. You can write it in your workbook. Okay, children? I'll be calling your names. Wait 1 minute. Who is... Okay, Amazia, come on. Do the next one for me. Unmute it, Amazia. Stand up. How do you stand up? Stand up. Stand up. What is the adverbs you supply, Amazia? Stand up is the action there, okay? Okay, you sit down, you sit down. Here, stand up is the action word, okay? Now you have to supply a suitable adverb for it. Now come on, stand up. How do you stand up? Stand up. Stand up, how do you stand up? Come on, tell me. Come on. Loudly, politely. That's why I told you, you should be familiar with some of the adverbs. Okay. Loudly, politely, enter the room quietly. Okay. Q-U-I-E-T-L-Y, quietly. Here we can put stand up, briskly. Okay. B-R-I-S-K-L-Y, briskly. When you stand up very straight. Okay. That is known as briskly. Or we can, yes. So stand up briskly. Okay. So Abigail, come on, Abigail. Abigail, come on, your video is, enable your video, yes. Come on, give me, sit down. How do you sit in the class? Sit down, sit down. Sit down, can you supply a suitable adverb for it? Sit down. Abigail, unmute it, you're not unmuting it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sit down. Sit down. Okay, sit down. How do you sit in the class? How do you sit? Here there is a verb, sit down. Okay, so we have to supply a suitable adverb for it. What is the adverb we supply? Come on. We can say calmly. Okay, Abigail is sitting calmly. Okay, we can say, we can use calmly, or what else we can say?
Calmly.
Gently. Okay, calmly, or we can say gently. Okay, we sit gently or calmly. Okay, you can write this, copy this down into your workbook. Okay, Nived, come on, Nived. Nived, turn around. How do you turn around? How do you turn around? When you turn around, are you happy to turn around? Okay, are you happy to turn around? Shravan, you're not there? Turn around. How do you turn around? Are you happy to turn around? So what do you write there? Yes, turn around. How do you turn around? Turn around cheerfully. When we turn around, we are very happy to turn around. Okay, so turn around cheerfully. Or we can say repeatedly. Okay, cheerfully will do now. Turn around cheerfully. So the next word is a very easy word. Anybody can do it. Adrinath, come on, tell me. Sing. Sing. Sing, unmute it. Sing.
Yes, ma'am.
Sing. What we can, a suitable adverb for it. Sing.
Singly.
Yes, sing. Say it once more. Sing.
Sing.
Sing. Sweetly. Okay.
Sweetly.
Sing sweetly. Only when the voice is very sweet to hear, we listen to the music. Okay. Why we love music? Okay. The singers, yes, they sing very sweetly. They have a very melodious voice. So we love to hear the music. We can write there, sing sweetly or melodiously. That also we can write. Okay. So sing melodiously. Now write is a very simple word. Okay. Who can give me the answer? Andrea, come on, Andrea. Write. How do you write? Come on. Right? Okay, you have to know all these. This is not, what is that, exam-oriented children. This is an exercise for us just to know, yes, we have to be familiarized with the adverbs. Okay, so you read this, okay? Once you finish the work, you read, you get familiarized with the adverbs. Read all these adverbs 5 times. That's why I'm asking you to read it 5 times. Only then we'll get familiarized with the adverbs. Okay, Andrea, come on, write. How do we write? Right? Come on, Andrea, give me an answer for it. Right? How do you write it in your book? Right? Either we write very neatly, or how do we write? We write very slowly. These are the adverbs we normally use for write. Okay, so we write, what is that we want? Neatly. Okay, write neatly. So these are the adverbs. Have you understood? So we have to supply a suitable adverbs to all these action words. Okay? Have all of you finished? Now we'll move on to the next exercise. Next exercise is nothing but, it's a story. So the words are given there. Okay? So let's move on to, have all of you finished this exercise?
Yes.
Yes, let's move on to the next one now. Okay, so all of you in the same page itself, you have one more exercise there. So we'll be doing that too. So you have to complete the story by choosing a suitable word from the brackets and use its ly form. Okay, you have to change that into an adverb by adding ly to it. We have already learned, we know how to change the words into ly. That's why first of all I taught you that exercise. Okay, so first of all, we know how to change the words into adverbs by adding ly or illy. Here off, this is the exercise for you. Now you know it how to do it. Okay, Agnal Joshi, come on. Read the sentence. Read the first two sentences for me, Agnal Joshi. Yes, Agnal. Yes, read the sentence.
Ma'am,
Hmm?
I know which page.
Page number is 23. You open the book. Otherwise, you can read it from there. Yes, read it. Gobi
Gobi was in the
kitchen.
in
A cat
a cat
came in.
came in
How did
the
the cat came in? Three words are given there. We have to select a suitable word and we have to change that word into adverb. Okay, so which is the correct word there? The cat came in. Come on.
the cat came in dash
Dash, what we have to write there? Now you tell me the answer. The cat came in. Is it quiet, happy, sad? So we have to change that into adverb. So come on. The cat came in.
uh,
Cat came in
happy.
happily. No. Quietly. Okay, without knowing. Okay, how do the cat enter your house? Okay, quietly. Okay, if you're, yes. So here a cat came into the house very quietly. Okay, now we'll move on to the next sentence. Who can do the next sentence for me? Wait, I can see. Yes, Charles, come on, Charles. Unmute it and read the next sentence for me, Charles. Charles, unmute it. Yes, read the next sentence. He, others, please mute it. Yes, he dash is read the next sentence.
He does.
No. He did not see it. Read it.
He did not see it.
Yes, then the next sentence. The cat
The cat
saw,
saw
what is this? A bowl of milk.
a bowl of milk.
And when it sees a bowl of milk, how do you feel? How the cat felt? The cat felt happy. So we have to change this word into adverb. So what we have to write? How do we change this word? Happy. Yes, come on, Charles. What we have to write there? H-A.
Happy.
Why? Only happy will do? We have to change that into adverb. So what we have to do, Charles? When we add, here the word ends with Y. So what we have to do? Change that Y into I and add ly to it. Have you understood? So cat saw the bowl of milk and happily began to drink it. This is the way, that's why I've told you to do the first exercise. Okay, we know how to change the words into adverbs by adding ly or ily. So this is the way you change the words. Okay, so the cat saw a bowl of milk and happily began to drink it. Now Giselle, do the next sentence for me. Yes, Giselle is not there. Giselle, come on, unmute it. Unmute it, Giselle. Yes. And do the next sentence for me. After drinking the milk, then what did the cat do here? It. Giselle, only 3 words are given, children. So Giselle, unmute it. Giselle, unmute it, Giselle. You're not able to. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Says it dash. Okay. Yes, it saw the milk and happily began to drink it. Then what had happened? It. Yes, read this. It.
An apple.
Loud, quiet, happy. So it. It. Come on. It. Loudly we can't drink the milk. Quietly, happily. So what we can write here? Here we can write here quickly, okay? And began to bowl of milk and quickly began to drink, okay?
Can I eat the rice?
Now you are going to eat the rice, only 5 more minutes, and after that you can have your lunch, okay? Now you do this activity quickly. Okay, so it began to, here children, you can make the change here. The cat saw the bowl of milk and quickly began to drink it. It dash finished the whole milk. So it, what we have to write here, it,
Eat.
Quietly, quietly, okay?
Eat.
Quiet.
Oh, quietly.
Quiet.
Or we can
Quiet.
write there happily. Happily will do. Here we can write there quickly, okay? It happily, write there happily, children. It happily finished the whole milk, okay? It happily finished the whole milk. Write it, children. Okay. Finished? All of you? Okay, Manha, do the next sentence for me. Manha, unmute it. Children, only 5 more minutes more. Then you can have your lunch. Manha, unmute it, Manha. Manha, suddenly, who can do this exercise for me? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Manha, do the next one. Suddenly, Gopi,
Suddenly, Gopi
Gopi saw the cat.
saw the
Cat. Then,
cat
what did Gopi do? He screamed
scream
loud, quiet, quick. So, what do you write there? How did he scream?
loud.
Yes, loudly. We have to change that into adverb. So, what we have to do? We have to add
Loud.
Loudly. Scream loudly, and the cat. What did the cat do? The cat ran out. Okay. So we'll move on to the next person. One more sentence is left. Okay, Shine. Come on, read the next sentence. The last sentence for me, Shine.
Yes, ma'am.
He looked. He looked.
He looked.
When he saw the ball, empty ball, how did he feel? You feel happy? Sad,
Yes.
happy, quiet. So how do you feel? You felt very sad. So what we have to write here? He looked
He looked
sadly. Okay? He looked sadly at the empty bowl. Okay? He looked sadly at the empty bowl. This is the way you have to do the exercises. Okay? So the words will be given. You have to change the words into adverbs by adding ly to it, and you have to supply a suitable adverb to it. So we have to know the meaning of it. Quiet, happy, sad. All these adverbs we have to know. Okay, so quietly, happily, sadly, all these are the adverbs. I hope you have finished. Have all of you finished? Have all of you finished the exercises? So today we have completed the worksheet 8. We have completed the portions for the term 1. Okay. From next week onwards, we have to do the revision, and also I wanted to see your activity. Already I've given you the date. Okay, children. So it's time for us to wind up. Okay. So thank you, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, all of you.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Bye. Okay. Bye, children.